Good evening, YouTube friends and fans. Tonight I'm going to do a second unboxing of a bike rack. The last one I was not satisfied with. The rubber hold downs were hard to apply and unapply. I actually ripped off one of the tabs. So without any further ado, let's open this box up. This one is different, same price, and this one come off Amazon versus the other one was off eBay. So you should be able to tell the differences. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. I'm going to use the box to sit this on. This one already has substantially more weight than the last one. Not sure what's in this box here, but we'll figure it out. Did come with an extra set of nylon strap. I'm not sure exactly what that's for yet. I think this is just for space. Yeah, that was as empty as could be. So basically, just put the bolts together. So basically there you have it. Big difference between this one and the last one. These are not fixed in position. Now I can make them fixed if I want. Put a piece of PVC between it and it would not allow it to move this way or that way. But some bikes are bigger than others, so it's a good thing. Also, this is Velcro nylon strap. So basically, lay the bar of the bike over the top, refasten. Pull it tight. And it's not going anywhere. Let's move it to the car and see what it looks like. Basically, just a wrench and a crescent wrench. You can finish assembly. Well, the one thing I do see is it needs a bolt on the outside for a little more added strength. It's got a lot of wobble. But other than that, looks pretty good. I'll get a bike out here and I'll show you how this is. So there you have it, folks. Total installation time was under 20 minutes. That included putting the bike on here. I bet I've got 8 to 10 inches. Let me take you around and show you the back side. Like I say, there's quite a bit of room there. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you would. And get the old subscribe button. Like I said, it does help. See you in the next video. Thank you.